Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm using a chrome from beautybigbang.com. They sent me all of the colors, so this is what they look like. I'm going to be using one of the colors today, and I'm going to have it in the description box which one that I used. But the best way I can describe these is they're kind of like a duochrome with a little bit of galaxy chrome and some holographic in there. They're really interesting and unique. So I'm just doing a refill on a 1 week old set. I took down all of the old products and the nails are just a very thin layer of clear. So I've already prepped her natural nails, her regrowth, and I'm gonna fill that in with clear acrylic. I'm using my number 12 oval alpha brush. Now I'm going in with this silver glitter from Michaels. This is just a regular silver fine glitter. Picking that up with clear acrylic, and I'm gonna place this on the nail until it's full coverage, and then I will encapsulate with clear. On her other fingers, I'm using this pink metallic multi-cut glitter from Creative Clawz. I'm picking that up with clear acrylic as well and using the same technique from before. And now I'm taking this butterfly that I cut out of a printout. If you want to use the same printout, I'll have it linked in the description box. You can print these at different sizes, like wallet size, half page size, to get different sizes of butterflies. And I also have some roses and stuff in there. And I cut them out with a small pair of sewing scissors. And now I'm just encapsulating this with clear acrylic. One of the nails is going to be a clear acrylic nail because I'm going to design this with gel polish and chrome. And on the thumb, I'm doing ombre using this cream color acrylic I mixed up a really long time ago. Any kind of nude that you have will work really well. And then I'm going to take that pink metallic multi-cut and kind of like ombre this up the tip of the nail, and then I'm gonna place a little butterfly in there and encapsulate it. This is after file shaping and buffing the nails. I'm using this nude gel polish from Banggood. Link will be down below. After curing, I'm going to use a silicone tool to burnish in this really gorgeous chrome that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. As you can see, it has like that underlying duochrome finish with like the pink pearlescent, and then you have the chunkier flakes that are like hollow and iridescent. It's so freaking pretty. This is like a mixture of chameleon chrome and hollow galaxy chrome, and then a duochrome all in one. I really love it. So after that, I'm going to seal it in with top coat gel. I'm using IBD Intense Seal and cure that. Now I'm going to use Zulay's Bling Adhesive to apply my stones. I'm using crystal clear, high quality crystals. These are not genuine Swarovski. And I'm using SS20, 10, and 5. These are super cheap and inexpensive. You can get these on eBay. There's so many sellers who sell stuff like this on eBay or Amazon. Just check my BLING Infos in the description box if you want to save your coin. I'm using a picker tool from Michaels. The link will be down below. I'm going to bling out this silver glitter nail. I like putting glitter behind the bling so that It just makes everything look cohesive and uniform. In between the bling, you can't see any gaps. My bling adhesive is a little bit drying up, but it's still working for me. That's why it looks really sticky.
All that you want is so
So after the resin is fully dried, I'm going to top coat my nails with IVD Intense Seal and then cure. I'm going to go on top of any stones that have got ashy with resin, and I like going in between. My cat just scared me, sorry. I like going in between the stones so that they're like really held down in place. And if they're like little small SS5 and SS10, I'll go over them because it's not that deep, it's not that serious. And I kind of like how they look like little balls sometimes. I always say this in every video because I literally get asked in every video comment section, so I'm just going to keep repeating it because I think it's something people want to know. I know I sound like a broken record though, but yes, that's the reason why I go over my stones. I'm sorry if it bugs you. This is just my way. So after that, I will cure and apply cuticle oil. So after curing, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these nails. Would you ever wear nails like this? I know some people have like a phobia of butterflies, and I was thinking about that while I was doing these nails. I have my own ideas. I have a couple ideas lined up that I want to do for you guys, but I want to hear what you guys think, what you guys want to see. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Just fall.